What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a collectible figure from the new hit manga anime Chainsaw Man. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so from the new hit manga anime Chainsaw Man, Banpresto presents a figure of Denji in his Chainsaw Man form as part of their Vibration Stars line. So that's the box. Let's get it out of the box. So this figure stays true to the likeness of the character and is perfect for displaying any collection. Alright, here we go. So it comes in 5 pieces. Alright, let's put this on the side. Actually, we'll leave it up here in front. Alright, so it's about 5.9 inches tall. It's made of plastic, and it's obviously based on the Chainsaw Man. Also, it's part of the Vibration Stars line, which is Banpresto, but you know it's a line of it. All right, so before we put it on the base, let's put the parts. So you guys are probably asking yourself, is this worth it? And to tell you the truth, I think it is. I mean, there are other lines that make this product, but no need for any of the other prices. This one's pretty well scripted. All right, so now let's get. Hopefully, we're getting it right. There we go. There we go. And it's all set, guys. 5 pieces. We're putting it together. So I have this product listed in a few links down below in the description. You guys want to check it out? You guys want to purchase one of these? I got a few. I got about 20 to 25 of these. I already sold 3 today. So yeah, guys, this product is flying. You know, like I said, it's very well done. I can get a closer here without losing focus. There we go. So yeah, guys, this is Denji in his Chainsaw Man form. It's gonna be a short clip. Just, you know, I wanted to make a video because I got pictures posted for it, so I was just letting other customers know that I'll be posting a video. They want to take a look at it better. So here you go, guys. And there you go. Easy as that. Now, for this upcoming week, I'll be posting videos on some old, very old Dragon Ball Z cards. Also, some old Dragon Ball Z action figures, limited from Funimation. Continue also on the other 2 Yu-Gi-Oh collection sets that are coming up in the 25th anniversary. And also unboxing a few more anime characters of different anime series. Alright, and that's about it, guys. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell button for more upcoming videos, and comment down below your thoughts on the Chainsaw Man Vibration Stars collectible figure. And I'll catch you guys till the next time. Bye.